Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, bringing you a really good, awesome unboxing video. I just went and freaking skated on home super fast because this was delivered at my front door, and I wanted to make sure no porch pirates came and got it. Luckily, my mother got it for me, and I'm good. Anyways, huge shout out to Nate's Revenge in the community for freaking hooking it up with this awesome Japan exclusive black and white bejeweled rhinestone hoodies, the Skrillex collaboration. I'm very excited to see them in freaking awesome sizes and awesome condition. With all that said and done, that's about it. Let's freaking get this bad boy ripped open and see what we got in store. You already know, coin claw for these types of unboxings. Let's go ahead and cut this right here. Well, Pam. And dingle-a-doo. Okay, never mind. Let me look a little bit better. Not just through the camera. Another whoop-ham. Now the main slice right here. Here we go. The last one. The last slice. Oh crap. I don't want to cut it. I'm scared. Oh, I'm freaking so hyped. These things are sick. Just judging from the pictures, I can't wait to see what they look like, the jewels dancing in person. Coin claw, it's done its job. Later. There they are. The yin and yang, the black and the white. I think we go with the black first. Oh, the jewels already felt awesome. Let's go ahead and move this to the side real quick. Let's pull out the black. Trying to be careful, but like, we're good. Boom! Holy crap. There it is. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Holy crap, these jewels are sick. Oh my gosh, freaking huge shout out to Nate. This thing is so rare. A little fun fact too. He got this dead stock and opened it himself. What a guy. Okay, so one thing I was always curious about was these two colors right here. You got like a nice pink and a nice like blue. What? Oh, they feel awesome. No missing jewels, by the way. Uncropped. And there's two different versions. There's this one with the Skrillex collab on the back, and then there's a skull general release. This one's extra special because not only can I wear it, but it's cotton on the inside. Not that French terry one. It's cotton though. Check out that tag. This is the first time I ever owned anything 2018 barcode tag, so having a barcode, super nice. And then, you already know, I'm an XXL fiend. We got that bad boy in XXL, baby. Oh my gosh, so happy with Nate freaking hooking it up with this. Oh my gosh. Let's go check out the Owl Slaw, the record label, basically. This is the Skrillex's record label's like logo. Full puff print. 10 out of 10, no cracks whatsoever. Wow. Well, let me try and get that for you guys real quick. That's sick. That is freaking awesome. Dynamite, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. It looks perfect. Okay. Let's go and fold it up. Move it over here. Chilling back there. Now the white. The much more rare colorway. Everyone's got the black, but no one's got the white. And only the white came in the Japan exclusive. When it comes to like this one, this was general release, came online. But this one, I don't believe came online. Actually, matter of fact, it didn't. So here we go. The white. Freaking mint condition. Bejeweled. Holy crap. Oh, you can't see it right now. Hold on. Let me fold it down. Oh my gosh. This video does not do this piece justice. The jewels in person look so much better. Oh, come on. I want to show you guys, but I don't know how. It's my lights. My lights need to, I don't know. Oh, it's so sick though. So something worth noting too is my first Rhinestone piece was the Heartbreak 2024 release. And these are a lot smaller jewels wise. So that's interesting and worth noting. It's interesting and worth noting. We got the freaking red one. So when it comes to bar tags, I think there's 3 different versions. There's this one with the red writing, there's this one with the blue writing, and there's this one with white writing. And oh, I love that these both have the metal eyelets. So sick. And then You already know. Inside, super soft. Unlike that one being double XL, another very desirable size, the XL. Let's go. Oh, it's so freaking clean. Oh, no missing jewels. I love it. Gotta love it. Now to check out the back. Same design, but in a different color. We got the blue. Oh, the blue looks so good in person. Wow. Wow. And then, like, this isn't actually there. It's just, like, little specks. No worries about that. Another puffy. Kind of flat, but also not too flat. Let me see if I can zoom in right there. You know what I'm saying? Kind of puffy. But wowzers, I can't wait to try this on. I'm so glad I own this so I can like make content on it and just rock this every now and then. It's a very special piece. Let's go ahead and get one final shot of both of them side by side. Thank you, Box. You served me very well on this delivery here. Oh, wow, I can't believe I own these. 5 years of collecting. And these popped up only just because of Nate, out of the blue, selling them. I couldn't be more grateful and thankful. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, you already know the vibes. Please like and subscribe. Turn on notification bells. All that good stuff. If you liked it again, yeah, do that, please. Please. Thank you so much all for watching. Have an amazing day, amazing night, amazing weekend, weekday, whatever the case may be. This is your boy BF Collection, tuning out. Peace, love, all positivity. And again, have a great day. Slater.